Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. Thanks for tuning in today. I am back with another huge dumpster diving haul. This one is a lot of snacks and pharmacy items and some expensive things actually. All of the food came in one giant bag. It was very heavy. I'm surprised it didn't rip, but I got it. So let me show you what I have for this fabulous haul. Right here is a huge mountain of beef sticks. So many. There's different kinds, like the Jack Links that are, I don't know, I think they're supposed to be a little bit more natural looking. Those ones, and then there's the store brand, which is just the regular stick. There's the classic, oh no, this isn't Jack Links, Oberetto, I don't really know that one. Slim Jim. That's the classic. All different flavors. This one is a beef. This one's actually beef. The other one was pork. There's beef. There's spicy. There's giant. This one has 0 sugar. That's good. And it goes, look, this one's pepperoni. It goes down and down and down. If I had an animal, like a pet, I would go through these and look for the ones that have really low sugar and low sodium and no flavor, obviously just meat, and cut some up for treats, but I do not. So these will just be donated and given away. And then behind that, I have more beef jerky, a whole bunch of different flavors again. There's 2 garlic chili, there's a chili lime, 2 cracked peppercorn, some Jack Links jalapeno. That sounds pretty tasty. Jack Links teriyaki right there. A whole bunch of these Larissa's Kitchen Korean barbecue flavor. There's some grilled teriyaki and sweet chipotle, the Crave. I remember when Crave was a new brand and I just started finding it in the dumpster, but now I find it very often. And then tucked right in between that is a combo cheddar cheese stuffed snack. I ate 1 pack of those as well, so originally there were 2 of those. Very tasty. Moving on, I have 2 packs of yogurt covered raisins. And then I have some nuts and seeds. So right here, these are all pumpkin seeds. These ones are the kernels, roasted and salted. And then I have 2 of the seeds still in their shells that were salted as well. I don't know, do birds eat pumpkin seeds or pumpkin kernels? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below if like birds, if I could put these out in the backyard for birds. Same with pistachios. Probably squirrels would eat them. I have 3 of these store brand sea salt pistachios that are still in their shells. And then I have one of the, just the wonderful pistachio brand, same, still in their shells. And then one of the shelled bags, which is very convenient. So there's that. And then I have 1 little case of wasabi peas, which I don't personally like, but I know somebody will. So that is that. I have some fruit and nut trail mix. I used to find so much trail mix, but I haven't really found much in a while. But that's okay. And then behind that, I have some dark chocolate covered almonds, 2 packs of those, and 1 regular pack of roasted almonds. I found a whole bunch of those not too long ago, if you remember. I have some Pringles. I don't eat Pringles often, but I do like them. This one's Buffalo Ranch. That sounds good. And then the classic cheddar and sour cream. Right there. Next to those, I have 3 bags of Sriracha Ranch cashews and 2 bags of, and these are all just the store brand, but still delicious, 2 bags of the Kona coffee flavored macadamia nuts. I do like macadamia nuts, but I do not like coffee whatsoever. So I will not be enjoying those. One last little jerky thing. I have 2 things of teriyaki turkey jerky, so those are cool. And then a bag of Chex Mix, which I also love. Chex Mix is one of my weaknesses. Gardettos are superior, but I love Chex Mix all the same. Back here, I have 2 little packs of these Mountain Trail Mix with the, the nuts and the M&Ms and raisins and stuff. And then this trail mix, it says omega-3. There's definitely walnuts in there. I can't really see what else. Something chocolate, I think. Oh, dark chocolate covered soybeans and dried cranberries. I don't know if soybeans are like the best thing to eat. I don't know. I'll have to see. So there's that. Coming back down here, I have 2 packs of dark chocolate with pretzel bark thins. That actually sounds delicious. Usually these are just kind of really thin chocolate crackers almost. So the pretzels in there sounds really good. This is quite squished, so I don't think... Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to keep these and put them in milkshakes that I make. Not really milkshakes, but like chocolate smoothies, I guess, because I make it with the bananas that I find. Oh, I also found like 3 bunches of bananas, but I froze them already. But like I said, these are kind of squished, at least over here. They are still sealed, so I guess I will keep those and use them for that. And then I have a few granola bars, 3 of these Bobo's peanut butter chocolate chip oat bars, 1 Zone bar, and then some Larissa's Kitchen fruit. Oh, these are fruit and meat bars? That's a little strange to me, but I guess I can't knock it till I try it. This one has almonds, sunflower seeds, pineapple, egg whites, almond butter, sesame seeds, and chicken breast jerky. Not gonna lie, that sounds extremely unappetizing. But if you've tried it, let me know if they're tasty or not. This one has almonds, egg whites, chicken jerky, almond butter, sunflower seed, and blueberries. Still, the pineapple and the blueberries sounds great, but I've never tried them, so I don't really know. Behind that, I have a thing of cranberry mango juice. That sounds tasty. At least the mango, yeah, no, it just looks good. The color of it looks appetizing to me. And then some cran raspberry juice, ocean spray with a little bit of a broken neck, but he'll be just fine. I might give that to my parents. Back here I have 3 more things of Benefiber Healthy Shape prebiotics. And this has a little tag on it that says not on file, as do a lot of the things that I'm about to show you. So I will show you those in just a second, but I have some Cattleman's Cut smoked sausages, double smoked spicy, and a whole bunch of these assorted fruit, sugar-free little hard candies. Those are always good to have on hand. And also good to have on hand, Lifesavers Peppermints. And 1 little thing of Trident White Spearmint Gum. I think that's it for all of the food items. So definitely a big haul. I haven't had a big snack haul in a while, so here it is. Lots of expensive things, really. Beef jerky is not cheap. Or nuts. There's that. Moving on to like the hard goods, I guess we can call them. I have a pack of 96 clear forks. It is open, but I'm fairly certain they are all still in there. That's always great to have on hand. And the fact that it's all forks is cool because nobody ever uses the spoons or the knives. Just the forks. Coming to the front, I have some feminine hygiene products. These are Playtex Sport Compact Tampons, unopened, brand new box. And then same thing, this Always Discreet light pads. There's 24 of them in here. These will both be donated. I have some Dial 2-in-1. It says beauty bar. It doesn't even say soap, which I guess, I don't know if that's telling of the product, but there's 3 of them in here. That's so weird to me. It just says beauty bar. So there's 3 of those. Brand new. This actually came from this store. Brand new disposable razors. I might keep those. If not, I will donate those as well. And then a pack of Kleenex. It came open a little bit on the side, but that will not be an issue. I have been, like, every morning when I wake up, I just sneeze nonstop. It's so annoying. It's just, and it goes on for like a good 5 minutes, and I just can't stop sneezing no matter how much I blow my nose. Every time I wake up, even if it's just from a nap. So I don't know what's going on there. But that's why I need tissues, so I'm glad I found some. I have some Swiffer Wet Jet pads. I don't know if it's open. No, it's not open. The little plastic top just kind of popped off. So those will be great to clean with. And then moving on to all of these items that say not on file. So what that means is like they scanned them into the system, but they weren't found. So they couldn't sell them because they don't have a record of them really. So they just had to throw them out. But I have 2 of these microfiber turbans, as they call them. Oh, I guess I just have 1. And then these are all the same. They're spandex head wraps. This one's purple. It's just in a bigger packaging. And then I have all of these ones in the littler packaging. That one's pink. That's cute. And then a red one. This is actually a mesh activewear cap. And then 2 more of the pink spandex wraps. Those will be donated. And then let's just go in order. This brand new thing of Coke lip smackers, unopened, not perforated at all. So that's good. Little chapstick. I think this is adorable. It is a little travel kit. It comes with a reusable bag and then the 3 squeeze bottles. Again, not on file, but brand new. Super cute. I have 3 mascaras. Actually, they're all 3 CoverGirl. This one is kind of different, I guess, but still cool. This tiny little brush, which is always good to have on hand. I have a whole bunch of sunscreen. So these 2 are just the store brand Zinc. This one's the CeraVe, which is a really good brand. Again, they did not have it on file. That is a lotion, but it has SPF in it. And then I have a whole bunch of these little Skin MD Natural Shielding Lotion. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those. Great to find. And then I have 2, 3 packs of these off refills. I think you need a certain lantern thing to go with it, but maybe not. It might, yeah, no. I think there might be a candle in there. I can't really tell, but I'm assuming it keeps the bugs away, so I might see what I can do with that. And then the last part of the haul, which I think is probably very expensive, are these electric toothbrushes. I have 2 of these Philips Sonicare Essence rechargeable sonic toothbrush, removes up to 2 times more plaque. I mean, it's brand new. That's all it offers you. I might use these. Not all of them, obviously. And then I have 2 of the Philips Sonicare 2100 Daily Clean Power Toothbrush, reduces plaque along the gum line. Just electric toothbrushes, so that's really cool. And then I have this giant little, I think it was like a Christmas thing, has the ribbon and the snowflakes, that's why they threw it away. Suggested retail price of $80. This is 2 series sonic toothbrush, removes up to 6 times more plaque, and an air flosser, helps improve gum health. I do have to admit, I'm not the greatest flosser. Oh yeah, special holiday edition. So I might need to check that out. We'll see. But that is it for this great big haul today. Lots and lots of snacks that I happily took from going to the landfill. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with more dumpster diving related videos. Thank you.